Okay mga ka-PH, Nexus MPB3 induction balance metal detector. So this is a motion detector. So this time we will be conducting a ground test, and we have a small hole 23 centimeter diameter, and length of hole is 1 meter, and the depth of the small hole is 1 meter, and the large hole depth is 2.57 meters from top surface down to the whole surface is 2.57 meters, and the length of the large hole is 1.8 meters. So last time we have done doing an air test. So ayun yung mga gagamitin nating test object for our ground test. So yun yung mga na-detect sa air test more than 2.57 meters. So tetest natin sa ground. Yung metal steel drum hindi natin na kuhaan ng air test kasi since motion detector ang gamit natin, medyo mabigat siya kapag isiswing natin. So kaya ground test na lang natin siya matetest. So let's begin. I-test muna natin yung ground if free of metals. Dapat walang metals sa ilalim or sa ibabaw ng ground. So yung naririnig nyo, ayun yung threshold na sinet natin during calibration nitong detector. So free of metals naman yung ground natin. So ngayon, let's proceed on the ground test. So unahin natin yung soda can. Soda can was detected 1.4 plus meters. So titest natin siya dito sa hole na 1 meter. So expected dapat ma-detect siya kasi 1 meter depth lang yung ground underground natin na small hole. So check natin kung ma-detect. So no object, with object, soda can. Kunin natin yung sentro, hanapin natin. So ayun. So dito, kapag nag-swipe tayo, kapag may real target, dapat pag nag-swipe ka ng left, tutunog. Kapag nag-swipe ka ng right, tutunog. So left and right, dapat may tunog. Ibig sabihin, merong real target. Kapag left lang yung tumunog, sa right wala, ibig sabihin walang real target. Or sa right tumunog, sa left wala, walang real target. So dapat both left and right may response or may tunog. So, try natin ng walang real target, no target or no object. So mapapansin nyo, left lang yung tumutunog. Ibig sabihin walang target dito. Try natin dito, wala rin target. So left lang yung tumutunog. Sabi walang real target. Try natin dun sa soda can. So medyo mahina yung response, pero nadidistinguish naman na may left and right na tunog. So try natin ulit sa no object. Tapos try natin sa with object. Pag walang object, with object, do mahina pero nadidistinguish naman. So ayun yung soda can ground test. So, try natin yung next target. Try natin ay mini tank. So this was detected at 2.87 meters. So dapat ma-detect siya dito sa 2.57 depth. Large hole. So test muna natin sa without target. No target. No target. No target. With target. So hanapin natin yung sentro. So ito siguro yung sentro. So ayan yung mini tank without target. Without target. With target. So medyo mahina yung sound pero nadidistinguish pa rin naman na may real target. So that's the mini tank. Next, stainless steel basin, detected air test 3.5 meters. Okay, no target, no target, no target, with stainless steel basin. So ito yung center. So next, large stainless steel basin. So this was detected at 4.08 meters air test. No target. No target. With large stainless steel basin. So last, metal steel drum. So i-ground test natin. Okay, one moment. No object. No object. No object. With metal steel drum. So ito yung center. So that's the ground testing for the Nexus MPB3 induction balance metal detector. Okay, thanks for watching.